Hello YouTube, I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will share with you unboxing and installation of rear view mirror extender. So in my previous video I have shared with you how to install the handlebar riser. So that has given my handlebar a rise of 1 inch. Now it is time to rise the mirror outward and it will give my mirror another 1 inch rise. So now let's go straight and see the unboxing. This is the box containing the rear view mirror extender. I will cut open the box now. I have ordered this from AliExpress. You can see the box is opened now. Inside the box there is another packet and inside the packet is the rear view mirror extender. Apart from that there are 4 long Allen bolts. There is a brand name printed on each extenders, although they will be covered after installing the mirrors. Inside the box there is another part. This part is known as shock absorber and this part is made up of thin rubber. Here are the extender for these two mirrors. Along with that extender, these two are the damper, rubber damper. So this will prevent your mirror from vibrating, and these are 4 longer Allen bolts. So in this respect I will tell you that we need number 4 Allen bit to remove the stock Allen bolt. So first I will remove the stock Allen bolts from the bike. So here comes bolt number 1. Here comes bolt number 2. So now I will show you the difference of these stock bolts and the bolts provided inside the package. So you can see the difference in their length. So this is the stock bolt on the right hand side and this is the longer bolts, 1 inch longer bolts from AliExpress in my left hand side. So you can see the difference right now. So now without wasting any more time, now I will go straight and I will install this rear view mirror extender in my Kawasaki Ninja 300. In this regard I will tell you one thing, that the stock Allen bolt was opened using this number 4 Allen bit, but this Allen bolt has a bigger inside hole. So for that we need one size bigger Allen bit, like this is number 5 Allen bit. So you can see this number 5 Allen bit is actually compatible to tight or loose this longer Allen bolt. So now I will fit this number 5 Allen socket in my screwdriver and I will try to install this. So it's extremely important to match the hole center before you fix this. You can see the hole center is matched now. Now I will install this bolt. So one bolt is installed. Now it's time for another bolt. So let me bring that. So this second hole center is also matched properly. The rubber can be seen from outside, so I think it will be better if I place this rubber on the base. So now I will open this and I will place this rubber in the base. So let's open the bolt, take out the rubber damper. The rubber damper is taken out. Now I will put it like this. After that I will place the rubber damper below the extender, and now I will try to install it like before. You can see the rear view mirror extender is installed in one side, and another side it is stock condition or stock setup. So difference is visible in front of your eyes. Now I will remove this stock mirror and I will install this extender in this mirror also. You can see the another rear view mirror is opened now. Now I will fit the rear view mirror extender similarly. So first I will match them like this. After that I will pass on the Allen bolt as per the hole center. Bolt number 1 is passed through, bolt number 2 is also fitted properly. Now I will change the socket from number 4 to number 5. After that I will place this rubber damper below the extender, and like this one I will install this here. So one bolt is fixed. I will fix another bolt here. So second bolt is also fixed. You can see both the mirrors are placed with rear view mirror extender. So these two extenders has given the mirror a rise of 1 inch. Now I will show you a closer look from everywhere of these extenders and how this mirror looks like. You can see the rear view mirrors from the front side. The mirrors are placed on the extenders. Now look at the mirrors individually. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon and select all option to be notified regarding my latest uploads. If you have anything to know, share it in the comment box below. Share the video as many times as possible. And at last, thank you for watching till the end.